Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete calls on an Android phone, whether it's a single call or your entire call history. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Android device. This is where all your recent calls are listed. Step 2. Tap on the Recents tab to view your full call history. This section shows all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Step 3. To delete one specific call, long press on the call entry you want to remove. Step 4. From the options that pop up, tap on Delete to remove that call from your history. Step 5. When prompted, confirm your choice to delete the call. To delete all calls, start by opening the phone app again and going to the Recents tab. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu options. Select Clear Call History from the list. Confirm your action, and all call records will be deleted from your phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy tech tips.